Hi guys, so we made lots of different pancakes. So this very dark crispy kind is the one from the pulp leftovers, and the other two are actually made from proper almond meal. So this is a blueberry pancake and this is a chocolate chip banana pancake, and both recipes I'm gonna share later on. But what we need is the flesh of 1 coconut and 6 to 7 tablespoons of the coconut water, and then we're simply going to blend it and we are going to make a whipped cream. Okay, so let's put this inside.
So what do we do with whipped cream?
We put it on top of your pancakes, and then you can add strawberries or blueberries or whatever you like.
I love strawberries.
Let's go. You love strawberries? Why don't you get some strawberries down?
Yay!
Take a little bite.
Yummy, yummy!
Let it come to stand. We have that much time, and then let's try out. Okay, what do you think, Easy? Shall we put it on the pancake?
Maybe
You dip first?
maybe side.
Okay, let me also taste.
Smash.
Mm. Oh my god, this is so good.
Mmm.
Mm.
Mmm.
Yeah? This is the blueberry pancake or the chocolate chip? Chocolate chip.
No, this is blueberry.
That is blueberry.
Chocolate.
Oh my god, can I try?
Yeah.
Is this yummy? It is yummy. Mmm. So very simple. I repeat. Flesh of 1 coconut, and then just 6 to 7 flat tablespoons of, well, flat, it's a liquid anyway, tablespoons of the water. If you really need it sweeter to be, just add some dark maple syrup into it, okay? Have fun!